Hello, I'm Abay Fali, 10th grade student of Specialized Comprehensive Boarding School, named after Saparnatuk Umarji in the city of Ashgabat of Turkmenistan.
I'm Ismail Alive, 10th grade student of Specialized Comprehensive Boarding School, named after Saparnatuk Umarji in the city of Ashgabat of Turkmenistan.
Our project's introduction. A Mars rover is a motor bicycle designed to travel on the surface of Mars. Rovers have several advantages over a stationary lander. They examine more territory, they can be directed to interesting features, they can place themselves in sunny position to weather winter month, and they can advance to the knowledge of how to perform very remote robotic vehicle control.
They serve a different purpose than orbital spacecraft like Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. A more recent development is the Mars helicopter. History Mars rover Mars Pathfinder was launched December 1996 and landed on Mars ice walls on July 4, 1997. It was designed as a technology demonstration of a new way to deliver an instrumented lander and the first ever robotic rover to the surface to the red planet. Pathfinder not only accomplished this goal but also returned an uncorrected amount of data and outlived its primary design life.
Both the lander and the 23-pound rover carried instruments for scientific observation and to provide engineering data on the new technology being demonstrated. Included were scientific instruments to analyze the Martian atmosphere, climate, geology, and the composition of its rocks and soil. Math Pathfinder used to innovation method of directly entering the Martian atmosphere, assisted by Frank Hood to slow its descent through the Martian atmosphere, and again system of airbags to cushion the impact. After designing a CAD model in SolidWorks, the jump got to printing of myriad parts required. The frame and structure of the rover is comparison of the aluminum slot, extrusions and tubes, while the rest is built from 3D printed plastic. Each wheel was made to resemble the ones that are not actual rover, and they are each driven by their own independent DC motor. Additionally, the four outer wheels are steered by separate servo models. At the head of the project is the Arduino Mega, which handles the DC motor drivers, servers, and the R4966 stepper driver that pan the camera horizontally.
Over the last century, everything we have learned about Mars suggests that the planet was once quite capable of hosting ecosystems and that it might still be an incubator of microbial life today.
Why Mars? Mars is the fourth rock from the Sun, just after Earth. It is just smidge more than half of Earth's size, with gravity only 39% that of Earth's. It takes longer than Earth to complete a full orbit around the Sun, but it rotates around it. Exists at roughly the same speed. That is why 1 year on Mars lasts for 87 years day, while a day on Mars is just 40 minutes longer than on Earth.
Despite its smaller size, the planet's land area is also roughly equivalent to the surface area of Earth's continents, meaning that at last in theory, Mars has the same amount of habitable real estate. Unfortunately, the planet is now wrapped in a thin carbon dioxide atmosphere and cannot support earthly life forms. Methane gas also periodically appears the atmosphere of his desiccated world, and the soil contains compounds and would be toxic to life as we know it. Although water does exist on Mars, it's looked into the looked into the planet